So I think we're done with the meeting now, right, guys?
Yeah. So where do you guys want to go for dinner later?
Let's go to Cactus Club at Cole Harbor for 5:30 p.m.
Yeah, sounds good.
Sure. I can give them a call for a reservation.
Sounds good. Thanks, Maria.
All right. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hi there.
Hi.
I'd like to know what the wait time is for 3 people.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Because of COVID restrictions, the wait time is now 1 to 2 hours.
Oh, okay. Thanks anyways.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, I can't find a place.
Hey, where should we eat? Let me check the app NoLine to see which restaurant has the shortest wait time. Okay, I'll let you know. Bye.
Hey guys, I found a place.
Think for a moment. If you had back every second that you've ever spent waiting for something, how much time would you have?
At NoLine, we're all about that, saving our users time.
NoLine acts as a mobile search engine and navigation app that allows you to view the most recent wait times for restaurants closest to you.
Now, it's time to show you the team behind NoLine. My name is Josh Mountain. I'm a front-end developer and designer, and I was in charge of leading the integration between your front-end and back-end with our back-end developer. In other words, pulling all the restaurant's information from Google.
My name is Adrian Han, and I'm a backend developer. I'm in charge of the backend logic and also doing integrations from the front and backend of the app.
My name is Farhaz Lada, and I'm a front-end developer. I was mainly responsible for making components and pages.
My name is Brian Shin, and I'm a front-end developer and designer. I was mainly responsible for building components, pages, and as well as designing the app.
My name is Anthony Servi, and I'm also a front-end developer and designer. I was primarily responsible for user interface design, as well as developing components and pages. How many times have you been out with your friends, and after finally deciding on a place that everyone likes, you find out that there's a 45-minute wait time just to get in the door? You're downtown on a Friday evening, you don't think to make a reservation. Time spent in line can feel like a waste of time. You just want to eat.
On a normal day, restaurant wait times can be painfully long, but wait times are even longer now because of the capacity restriction brought on by COVID-19. NoLine offers a practical solution that saves you, the users, time that would have been spent waiting at the door.
NoLine targets those who are out needing a place to eat fast, general community who loves to eat at a restaurant with no waits, or business owners to increase business by reporting their wait times.
Does this sound like you?
Restaurants on average have a wait time of 6.6 hours per week, with parties waiting nearly half an hour on average for a table.
So what is NoLine? Well, NoLine circumvents this issue by searching restaurants near your current location to find those with the shortest line and filtering those based on your preferences. The app is community-based, which means that users can report live wait times to the app, and others can view those wait times to avoid having to wait in line.
After extensive research, we modeled the community interactivity in NoLine based on proven methods demonstrated by the app Waze. We based our designing and developing off their build, play, and monetization system. By using similar methods, we're aiming to maximize our user engagement by gamifying the application and providing value through live wait times. Overall, we designed NoLine to be as intuitive as possible, regardless of one's technical ability.
So now let's get into the design process. The design process for NoLine started with a simple idea of assisting the community, finding a need that needed to be filled, and creating an application that filled that need. When we saw the toll that the pandemic was taking on the service industry, we decided to create an application that would display live wait times for businesses, and we decided to start with restaurants.
Once we settled on our concept, we conducted extensive research within the possible target markets to ensure we reached our goal in achieving the specific needs of the community. We knew we had to create something different and still solve a real-world problem.
When we finally settled with NoLine, we took a deeper look at other similar apps on the market, such as Google Maps. While apps like Google Maps and Yelp offered a vague idea of inside the restaurant, we opted for an app that looked at the wait outside the restaurant.
Finally, we created multiple mock-ups of every page and component of the application. Through a series of rigorous tests and redesigns, we eventually had a finished design product that was ready for development.
Moving to development process, NoLine uses a Firebase database for storing all the information about the restaurants. NoLine connects directly with Google, as it's used for finding nearby restaurants and anything within the vicinity. We are using React Native to create our app and testing it on a virtual Android phone.
As many of you may know, this semester was conducted entirely in a virtual environment, which made for a challenging collaboration process. Because of this, we ended up learning more about problem solving and how to persevere in the face of adversity than we originally were expecting.
As challenging as it was, we adapted and overcame. By using the remote collaboration platform GitHub, we were able to ensure that the team was communicating effectively at all times. Every week we would hit a wall and then hit it again and again. But as long as we broke through that wall by the end of the week, that was a success in our minds. With that said, it's time to show you what NoLine's all about with our app demo. All right, team, is it working correctly?
Yep.
Yep. Excellent. So loading up the NoLine application, we can see a sign up or sign in screen. In this case, I already have an account, so I'll just sign right in. Make sure not to tell anybody my password. Signing in, taking you to the main home screen, all of the restaurants within your immediate vicinity are pulled and sorted from the shortest wait time to the longest wait time. Here we can see V Cafe, Fusion Core Japanese Eatery, and let's say I wanted to search for a specific restaurant. There's a search bar at the top right up here where you can see, but let's say I don't know what I want to search for. We have a nice filter page. Let's say wait time, I want to set it at a maximum 45 minutes. That's all I'm willing to go. Distance, 20 kilometers. And Farhaz, give me a type of food.
You know what, Josh, I could really use some pizza right now.
Some pizza? I could too. So we hit this pizza icon down here and a little check mark will appear confirming that that's in fact what you have selected. You go and hit this done button here and the app will completely refresh and we can see now Pizza Pizza, Viva La Pizza, Pizza Factory. Myself personally, I'm a Pizza Factory guy. So I click on this and I can see Pizza Factory, the stars, the number of reviews. It has a 10-minute wait and what time it was updated at. And we can see an actual interactive map where Pizza Factory is. So it's on Kingsway. Let's zoom out. Okay. Oh, okay. That's where it is. Now, let's say I get to Pizza Factory and the wait time is not 10 minutes. The wait time is, in fact, closer to 25 minutes. So I go onto the app, I go to the page, and I go report the current wait time, and I hit 25, boom, submit. Instantly at the top, the wait time is updated with the new wait time, 25-minute wait, updated by my username, Josh M, at 12 p.m., current time. So before we get back into this, let's talk about some of the other features of our application.
So here we are on the map page, and the user has the ability to look at various restaurants in the map, which is directly imported from the Google Maps program interface. We also have a search bar at the top of the page if the user has a specific restaurant in mind. So now let's navigate to the profile page, and I'll let Brian discuss its features.
Thank you, Anthony. So on the profile bio page, users can view their profile picture, username, location, and their points that they achieved. Users can also view how many times that they reported, reviews written, and their bio. Now moving on to the edit profile page. So in this page, users have the option to change their profile picture, username, location, and their bio.
Now, one of the questions we get asked the most about our application is, what are these points? What do the points mean? And for that, the awards section can answer it. We navigate to the awards and you can see that you get different points for doing different things within the application, referring a friend, sharing on Facebook, but most importantly, reporting a wait time. This is our way of gamifying the application and driving up user engagement. We want our users to feel like they are the ones who are reporting for their favorite restaurants. They are going to get and they're going to get points because of that. So as the user gets those points, that is increasing credibility on their part. Other users can see that if you have a lot of points, then obviously you've reported a lot of wait times. Before we finish this off, I'll take us back to the search results one more time and show you a couple other features. Simply put, I need another type of food. What do we got?
Josh, I'm thinking some Italian.
Italian? Ooh, that sounds good. Again, check mark, hit the done, boom, instantly updated. It's all there. This one's 6.4 kilometers away, 7.4. They have low wait times. I want to find something with, here we go, 2.4 kilometers away, 7 minutes. That's a good one. But let's go for another one. What are we feeling?
Right now, I'm feeling French.
French, ooh, good. Click on the French, we'll hit done, and boom, instantly it'll reload with a bunch. Tour de Fils, 6th Street Grill, excellent. All right, I'll pass it over to the rest of my team where we can finish off this presentation.
NoLine saves users time, and that is what we set out to achieve.
We identified a gap in the market and developed NoLine with the intention of solving a real-world problem that was further exposed by the pandemic.
Now, you will never have to have the uncertainty of a wait when you're hungry.
We hope with NoLine you can spend less time waiting and more time eating.
And this brings our presentation to a close. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have. NoLine, save time in line so you can dine. Thank you.